In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue of your Snapchat camera being zoomed in. Many Snapchat users have encountered this problem, where the camera is too close to their face or surroundings, making it difficult to take good photos or videos. To get started, open up the Snapchat app and then tap on the Bitmoji profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right. Then scroll down, and you'll see a section called Additional Services, and in that section, you'll see an option called Lens Studio. Tap on it. Then tap on the Reset Pairing Status option. Tap on the Unpair button. Then go back and scroll down a bit, and you'll see a section called Privacy Controls, and in that section you'll see an option called Clear Data. Tap on it. Then tap Clear Lenses. And then tap on the Clear Local Lenses Data option. And then tap Clear All Lenses option. Once you've done that, exit the Snapchat app and open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you see Snapchat. Tap on it. Then toggle off the switch next to the camera option. Wait a couple of seconds and toggle it back on. Then restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can help reset any glitch causing the zoomed-in camera. If that doesn't work, you can also try clearing the cache of the Snapchat app. This will remove any temporary files that may be causing issues with the camera's zoom function. If these steps do not resolve the problem, you may need to check for any updates available for the Snapchat app and make sure you are using the latest version. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.